Right, so if you come from the test centre, you would have been on the sat nav up to about this point.
Oh, okay.
So it's about half your driving test just been done.
Yeah.
So they'll pull you over the left-hand side if you come this way. Opportunity to just take the sat nav down, get out of the way. Opportunity to see a hill start, which is a compulsory part of your driving test. And a reminder of what has been asked of you is to follow the road. So that's the end of the independent section. From now on, I'll give you directions, and just to remind you, follow the road ahead at all times unless any road markings or signs tell you differently.
Right.
When you're ready. So this is not Kettering, this is Burton Latimer, which is the other side of the A14.
Yeah.
So quite a lot of the tests come this way, probably about half of them do actually. And it's not as towny as Kettering, but it's got a lot of little hazards. It's quite a tricky little place.
Wait, is Burton Latimer like classed as a town, or is it like a village?
Yeah, I think it's a town.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I think so. There is an old part of Burton Latimer that is the village of it, but they're telling you to go.
Oh, she's letting us go.
Yeah, who's got priority? Who's got priority there?
Oh, we have.
Yeah, so a bit of hesitation there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'll just stop you there.
Yeah.
Can you turn right, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you. Where'd you go?
Wait, is that like...
why have I stopped you there?
Is it some no entry?
No entry, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, let's drive round again.
Okay.
I'll direct you from here. Just follow the road down.
Alright.
So that road was dead straight to that turn off. Now the thing is, you would not be told to turn right.
No. They would just expect
because
you
there's
to
only
know.
one way. Because remember, follow the road ahead unless road markings tell you otherwise. Take a right here, please. Good. Now, if you cut the corner there, there'd be a whole lot of trouble, wouldn't you? So you come into that, then we can see what we're dealing with. It wasn't going to go today.
Yeah, no, exactly. Okay, yeah,
good.
Let's go.
Okay. As I say, it must be a school.
Yeah, it must be.
See the school side. So we're going to change our driving accordingly. People drive a little bit fast, people a little bit maverick.
Yeah.
Now you're going to take a right here, please.
Right, okay.
Put an early indication on for that, because that van will lorry, obviously called taxi even. Is that be good?
Yep.
Okay. And then we'll just take the next left.
Okay.
If you can't see us around the corner, you better slow down until you can see what's around the corner, I suggest. Yeah. Good. Go forward.
Yeah, I think I can.
Let's make sure they've seen us. There we go. Good. It's a good job we didn't rush around the corner, wasn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
So that's the thing, you just turn around the corner. It's never a problem until there's any cars there. So if you don't pick up on the fact it's the wrong speed, you just carry on that speed until one day there will be cars around the corner. And it'll be a collision. End of the road, turning right, please.
Okay.
So again, coming at a speed where people don't do the right thing and come in too fast into corners. So you're driving for other people's bad driving, if you see what I mean.
Oh, no.
Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, what do you think they're doing?
No, let's go.
What? So what do you think's easier for her?
For me to go out
you to
first,
go on, isn't it?
then,
Yeah. And also, what's she going to turn into? There's a car there. If you looked around you, there's literally nowhere for that car to go because you are blocking the whole road. So you had to go before that car anyway. We just need to make sure that she's spotted it and she's let you go. Turning right here, please. So again, just take the information in that's around you, preempt what's going to happen based on what you see, and when these things do develop, they're not going to be a surprise. Now, the instruction was back there, which I reminded you of. And the examiner might not necessarily do that. I deliberately reminded you just to say, look, just follow the road ahead.
Yeah.
I'll tell you when to turn left and right, plenty of time, but just follow the road ahead unless road markings or signs tell you other. Now look ahead now. You're about 400 metres away from the no entry sign. So you think about it, you've driven down here. At no point have you picked up on those two signs and registered what they mean. So here, you're going to have to turn right. So we're stick one. Now, you've got to give way to these cars. Stop here. Oh, are they pulling in? We might be able to get away.
That one's pulling in.
Yeah, can we get ahead of that car? Yes?
Yeah.
What if you chose a better gear than third?
Oh, yeah, second.
So, the other thing, because it's got no entry written across it, people look at it and think that's a give way markings. Well, it's not. You've got to give way to that road. You know, it's got signs up. It looks like a new road. It's not.
Yeah.
So you've got to really take in that information. If you don't take it in and process it, you're going to do a random decision's going to come out. No, it might be correct. It might not. Chances are it probably won't. Now, where are you going to get past this person? That looks like a good idea. Keep it rolling now. Keep it rolling. They'll go in there and we just roll it through. He comes through. We just roll through the middle. Good. So a bit more to Burton Latimer than meets the eye, isn't there? What's around this corner? Let's slow until we know. So always slow until you know what you're turning into. Good. Yeah. And anyone can walk up behind these cars, couldn't they? Very good. End of the road. Turning right.
Okay.
Love a blind junction. We'll have to creep out here, won't we? That brick wall's right in the way there, and that taxi's right in the way. Are we okay that way? Are we okay that way?
Yeah.
Get a move on that once you're committed, that's fine. As long as you're moving away from them. That's tight. That's horrible.
Yeah, I know, right?
Take a right here, please.
Okay.
Yeah, we good?
Yep.
Yeah. It's tougher than it looks, Burton.
It is, yeah.
You think, Kettering's a big old town. This is a lot quieter. But because it's